week. And yeah, I'm going to be taking the next couple days off. So that's so with that being said, I hope everyone is doing awesome, staying awesome, staying positive, and staying out of the heat. For those of us that are suffering from the heat, make sure that you have air and stay hydrated. It's very important. So that's that. Clear. So that being said, I know I sound a little hoarse. I don't know why. I think it's probably because I've been in and out of being in the air conditioning. So over there to my left is Bog Swamp. Yes, there's gators in there. Yeah, that's on my right. I'm sorry, my right. So that's pretty much it. Apparently I'm supposed to have somebody come on my lawn today. Hopefully today. I hope. But we shall see. So I hope everyone is enjoying the rest of their Friday. Has an awesome weekend. And I'll see all of you guys on Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern with Mr. Ian. Until then, all you guys be safe, stay positive, be supportive, and just in general be you. Now I'm back to myself again because I'm going to be pulling into my subdivision. Alright, so yeah, just keep the positive vibes and prayers for Raven as well. She needs them, and she needs a lot of love and support. And just keep it going for her. That's all I ask of you guys. And Raven, I know you're gonna catch this once it's uploaded. I just want to let you know, sweetheart, that you're always my thoughts and prayers, and I love you very much. And I will see you on Sunday, and all of our awesome mods and our awesome subs. And you guys are all awesome. You guys really help us run smooth streams and keep the negative out and the positivity in. So that's all that matters to us. You guys are here for us. You guys are the best. The best. The best. Alright. So with that being said, I'm going to end this now. And enjoy your Friday and your weekend. Much love from Annie. And take care, guys. I'll see you guys on Sunday night. Peace.